Hello dear learners, today we will study Unit 5 Seeds and Seeds. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn how plants reproduce, list different ways by which seeds can disperse, and about insectivorous plants. Seeds are of different types. Seeds are of different shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. You can see in the picture given. Structure of seed. Seed comprises of three main parts: seed coat, embryo, and cotyledons. The life of a plant begins as a seed. Once you plant and water a seed, it begins to germinate. The root pushes through the seed coat. The seedling, that is baby plant, grows out of the ground. The stem and its leaves also start growing. The leaves makes food for the plant. The flowers begins to bloom and make seeds. New seeds are formed and scattered. This whole process is known as germination of seed. All seeds can germinate when sown in moist soil under suitable conditions to produce new plants. This is how the germination of seeds takes place. Here you can see agents of seed dispersals. They are wind, animals, explosion, and by water. Now we will see the examples one by one. Wind dispersal. Some plants such as dandelion have seeds that act as parachutes, which are carried away by the wind. Seeds float away from their parent plant. These are mainly seen in those plants which lives in water or nearby the water bodies like beaches, lakes, ponds, etc. Coconut, palm, mangroves, water lily and water mint are the examples of plants whose seeds are dispersed by the water. Few animals and birds are attached to bright colorful fruits. They eat the entire fruit and only the juicy part is digested by their system. And the seeds are excreted out in the form of their droppings, which forms into new plants. So by this way, the seeds are dispersed by the animals. Some plants seeds are dispersed by explosion. Explosion in fruits literally refer to bursting with all its energy. In this case, as the fruits get ripened, it shoots out its seed into external environment. Examples of the seeds where they are dispersed by explosion are pea and bean. Children, do you know about insectivorous plants? Insectivorous plants are the plants that derive their nutrition by feeding on insects and other organisms. Examples of insectivorous plants are pitcher plant, Ornithranthus, Venus flytrap, sundew plant, and bladderwort. In the next slide, we will see the pictures of insectivorous plants. Thank you, dear children. I hope that you have understood the chapter well.